Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install OpenProject on Debian 9 server. This is my server information, operating system Debian 9, server IP address 10.66.100.14, RAM 2GB, disk 50GB, web service Apache service OpenProject. I am checking server version and IP address Debian 9.13, and this is my IP address. Must be server update and upgrade using this command. Yes, update and upgrade done. Now add server key from OpenProject official key server, then add Debian 9 repo into repo list, then must be server update, apt transport https package installation needed. So this is error. Now try update command. Yes, done. Update command, and then install OpenProject. Yes, properly running. OpenProject installation done. Now configure OpenProject. Now run this command. For configure, install a new PostgreSQL server and database locally. Select and enter. Do you want to use this wizard to help set up your web server? Must be install Apache web server. Your fully qualified domain name, auto detect this domain name, server path prefix. If you wish to deploy it to a path prefix, that is your domain name /OpenProject, so you can use this, or otherwise blank. Press enter. Enable SSL. Do you want to enable SSL for your web server? Yes or no. You can use Let's Encrypt SSL service. Do you want to use this wizard to help supervisor repository support for OpenProject? Yes, install it. Enter the path to the directory that hosts SBN repository. This is auto detect wizard. Install git repository. Select and enter. Enter the path repository. This is auto detect. Enter the path repository backing CGI directory, auto detect. Select send mail. What do you want to use? Send email from OpenProject. Type your mail and then press enter. Do you want to install Memcached server? Yes, install. All config save, and now step by step install running. First install PostgreSQL. Yes, configuration and installation done. Now access your server IP address and then login, default username and password. Now come in login page and login, username admin and password admin. Must be after first login change admin password using strong password policy. A new password is required. Current password admin, and type your own password. New password must be at least 10 character long. Confirm new password, then save. Welcome to OpenProject Admin. Please select your language. You can use your own language. It supports multi-language. Then save. Take a 3 minutes in introduction to learn the most important features. We recommend completing the steps until the end. You can restart your tour anytime. Now skip this step. Hostname setting mismatch. This is my fully FQDN and this is my IP address. Now replace on hostname to IP address, then save, and then going to administration page. This is administration overview. User and permission, work packages, custom field, enumeration, system settings, email authentication, announcement, design, color, enterprise edition, time and cost, backlog plugin, webhook, backup information. It have many settings from administration page. This is select project. You can create new project and invite user. You can use this fully customizable and possible white labeling, like as change color, logo, and remove this trace. So you can use this software for your own company task management. This is very smoothly. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.